Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thank you for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious looking birthday cake. Yes, and for this we'll be using all-purpose flour. I have here 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I will also be adding some butter. I'm using 200-gram soft butter, 1/3 cup of oil, sugar, salt, baking soda, baking powder, and some eggs. I will leave all the ingredients and their measurements in the description box below. Do check it out. And then I start by sifting the flour into the mixing bowl. I will then add the baking powder, the baking soda, and the salt, and sieve also. Then mix everything together and set aside. In another bowl, I'll add the butter and the sugar, and I'll mix until it becomes creamy. I'll be using my hand mixer, but you can use the manual one. It's just that it takes longer time with that. After creaming the butter and the sugar, I'll then start adding the eggs, one at a time, and they incorporate together. When I'm done with the eggs, I then go in with the oil. This oil is optional. You can use only butter. Increase the quantity of the butter you are using if you don't want to use oil. I will also be adding 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence for that vanilla flavor. Sorry, I didn't show you this at the beginning. And then mix together also. We are done mixing the wet ingredients. We'll then bring the dry ingredients. That's the flour mixture we set aside earlier on, and then start adding little by little. When I add it, I also add some milk. I'm using 1 cup of evaporated milk. Add a little flour mix, then add the milk and mix. You keep doing that until you have mixed in the whole flour mixture. Once you have mixed in the whole flour and the milk, it is then ready to bake. Don't over mix. I have here my baking pans. I will divide it into two, and I've oiled this pan. So the next thing I'll do is to pour it into the baking pan. I've also preheated my oven. It is preheating at 200 degrees Celsius, and I'll be baking this for about 50 minutes or until I insert toothpick in it and it comes out with nothing on it. Then I will know that the cake is done. I hope you have given this video a thumbs up, and I hope you have also subscribed if you haven't. And at the end of this video, I hope you share it also. Thank you all. I'm using this opportunity to thank you all, my old subscribers and those that are always coming to view my videos. God bless you all. And to my new subscribers, you are highly welcomed. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and stay safe. Bye. Love you all.